Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And I got a huge update for you guys. So, if you see behind me, finally taken the K1500 to get a new tranny put in. So I got her all loaded up, ready to go. Fits just perfect on this trailer. Literally edge to edge with these wheels and tires. So, but it fits. And we're good to go. Just taking it like 10 miles into town, my local shop. And the tranny I'm going with is a GM replacement, and it's got a 3-year unlimited mile warranty apparently on it. So yeah, I'm finally getting it done, and you know, I've saved up a little bit to be able to do it, but it sounds like it's going to cost me around $2,800-$2,900 probably, all said and done. I'll let you guys know on, you know, all the pricing then once I get it done and show it to you guys. But yeah, the moment you guys have all been waiting for. I know most of you guys are fans of this truck rather than the Duramax, it seems like. So I know a lot of you guys will be happy to see some progress happening on this truck again, and I'll actually be able to drive it again. So let's get this thing strapped down and ready to go. Ooh. Definitely don't like that. I think I better hurry up. The storm's rolling in and that lightning's getting a little wicked, so I think I'm gonna just finish strapping this down in the morning and then we'll take her in. It's the next morning. Gonna get this thing finished, strapped down, and ready to go. Here we go. First time I ever had this truck on a trailer. It's been that reliable. Looks like we're doing well back there. Looks like all the straps are staying tight. Got another 5 miles to go and then we'll be there. Well, we made it safely. The truck's still in one piece. So we'll get her unloaded and then the process will begin. She's off, and I'll give you guys an update when she's all done. All right, everyone, if you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll definitely be giving you updates on the truck as soon as I get it done, and we'll be able to take it for a first drive. So, all right, take care, have a great day.